and welcome back once again to this e-learning platform. Today we will be continuing the sums that we have left it last time. So this tutorial will be for question number 10 and 11. All right. So here in question number 10 we are asked to find the weighted arithmetic mean. So there is a different formula to calculate weighted arithmetic mean. So the formula here is mean is equal to sigma xw divided by sigma w. Okay, so here, just like the way we calculated mean in direct method, that is sigma fx by sigma f or sigma fx by n, so similarly, it's mostly the same method, right? So here, in question number 10, we are asked to solve, or we are asked to calculate the weighted arithmetic mean between school A and school B, and we are asked to find out which is a better school, either school A or school B, based on the weighted arithmetic mean. All right, so we have already finished this in the online class, but however there are some students who don't attend online class, so this video is for you all. Okay, so let's start. Now we will be solving this question in two tables. One is for school A and the other one is for school B. Okay, one school A I've already calculated it here, and school B similarly you have to calculate. All right, so this is for school A, and here we're not going to calculate simple mean, although we are asked to calculate simple mean as well, but we will be calculating only the weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, here in school A it is given, we have written down all the subjects, that is commerce, maths, English, science, humanities, and computer science. These are not the actually subjects, but this is the course of study. All right. We have a pass percentage of school A: 71, 83, 73, 74, 65, 66. So this is the value of x. Okay, x value. Number of students: 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 3. This is the value w, and just like the formula, that is mean is equal to sigma wx by sigma w, we have to find out the sum of wx. So we have written here wx. So you can calculate this one. 71 into 3, you will get 213. 83 into 4, you will get 332. 73 into 5, you will get 365. 74 into 2, 148. 65 into 3, 165. And 66 into 3, 198. So this is what you will find if you calculate between, if you multiply x and w. So now what you have to do, you have to add up all this thing to get sigma wx. Okay, and we know that we need to find sigma w also. So you have to find out all these, add up all this also. Okay, w. So you get sigma w as 20 and sigma wx, if you add up all this value, you get 1451. So now you have to put this in the formula. Okay, mean is equal to sigma wx divided by sigma w, which is equal to 1451 divided by 20. If you calculate it, you will get 72.55. So the 72.55 is the weighted arithmetic mean for school A. Are we clear? So let's calculate school B. All right. So all right, I haven't calculated here, so I have to do it once again. So I want you to follow with me and then calculate for school B also. Okay, it is quite easy. So let's write here school B, and then let's make the table, right? Let's first make the table here. This is for course, this is for x value, This is for number of students, and this is for WX. So here, the course of study. Sorry. You can just write down here, course of study. Write down everything. There's commerce. You have math, English, science, humanities, and lastly, computer science. Now write down the past percentage, which is X value, 82. Remember, we're doing school B, okay? As school B. 76, 73, 76, 65, and 60. Let's write down the number of students as well, which is the W value. You write down 2, 3, 6, 7, 3, and 7. So now you have to find out WX. Multiply this two, okay? 82 into 2, 164. 76 into 3, 6, 3, 18. 1 in hand. 7, 3, 21, 22. Next, 73 into 6. You get 438. Next, 76 into 7. You get 532. Next, 65 into 3. 195. Next, 60 into 7. So 6, 7, 42, 420. Right? Okay, now what you have to do, you have to add up all this to find out what? Sigma WX. To find out this, you have to add up all the value. Let's add up 164 plus 228 plus 438 plus 532 plus 195 plus 420, which gives you 1977. So add up all the W value also to find out sigma W. 7, 10, 17, 20, 26, 27, 28. So you have 28 here. So if you now what you have to do, now put on apply the formula here. All right. Okay, let me scroll up a little. Okay, let's write down the formula. So mean is equal to sigma WX divided by sigma W, which is equal to the value of sigma WX. We got how much? 1977 divided by sigma W is how much? 28. So if you divide it, you will get 70.6. Okay, 70.60 or 70.61, you can say. So this much is the weighted mean. Now, if you look into the one that we calculated here, we got 72.55, right, for school A. And for school B, we got 70.61. So what do you think? Which school is better? School A is better, right? Because school A has the percentage, overall weighted mean percentage is 72. So therefore, in conclusion, we can write that school A is better than school B. Okay, so this is your answer for question number 10. Alright, so now let's do question number 11. Okay, I've already solved the question here, although it might look a little dirty, but then let's let's just read from here. So here, let me change the color. I think it's better. Okay, in question number 11 here, calculate weighted mean by weighing each price by the quantity consumed. So here, some of the products here are given, so the quantity consumed is given, the price is given, so you have to find out the weighted mean here. So similarly, the quantity consumed is the W here, and your price is X. Okay, now if you multiply this one, mean is equal to sigma Wx divided by sigma W, which is equal to 2949 divided by 68. How much do you get? 2949 divided by 68, you get 43.37, or you can write 43.37, or you can write 43.38 also. Okay, it's up to you. So that's the value, 43.37 per unit. So that's our answer. All right, so here, don't get confused. The name of the products are given here. The quantity is given here, quantity consumed. The price is given here, Wx. How do we calculate Wx? You have to just multiply this one. 25 into 12, 300, 3 into 85, 255, 8 meter into 250, 2,000 rupees, 6 into 44, 264, 26 into 5, 130. So if you calculate all this, multiply W and X, and after that you have to add up all this value. So for that you will get 2,949, and you will also have to calculate all the W value, okay, in order to get sigma W, which is 68. 25 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 26 will give you 68. Now you just have to put the formula, that is mean is equal to sigma Wx by sigma W, gives you to 2,949 divided by 68. The answer is 43.37 per unit. Okay, so this is your answer for question number 11. Now, in question number 12, let's finish question number 12 as well. So question number 12, I'm not sure if I've calculated it. All right, I'll do it once again. So, question number 12, it's telling you to calculate arithmetic mean from the following data. Okay, we are asked to calculate arithmetic mean, not weighted mean. So here you have to use the formula of arithmetic mean, the simple mean. That is, either you want to go for direct method, you want to go for a discrete method, a direct method, or shortcut method, or the step deviation method. It's up to you. But as mentioned, I have told you many times that if it is not given the question which method to solve, you can always go for the shortcut method. So we will again solve this question in shortcut method. Let me first make the table. Okay, I'm solving question number 12. Okay, let me first make the table, and after that I will okay, this is question number 12. This is the last question for this chapter. So here, if you see the number of person, okay, the frequency, it is given in ascending order, that is small to big. Now, if whenever you're solving such question, you always have to look into the frequency that is given. If the frequency distribution is in ascending order, that means it is already in cumulative frequency. You have to make it as a normal frequency. Okay, So how do we do this? Now let's write weight in pound. You can take this as X. Number of person, you can take it as frequency. Okay, let's first write it down. 100, 110, 120, 130. Now, how do we calculate? Now, since it is in cumulative frequency, how do we make it as a normal frequency? Now, you see the first value is 15. So first one value you have to just write as it is. Okay, the second one, it is 20, right? So I'll just write it down here. It is given 10, sorry, not 10. So it is given 15, 20, 25, and 30. So what do you have to do? This is in ascending order, right? Small to big. So that means it is already in cumulative frequency. You have to make this as a normal frequency. Okay. The first one you write as it is. The second one, what you have to do, you have to minus 20. 20 minus 15 is how much? 5. Okay. 25 minus 20 is how much? 5. 25 minus 20. Next, 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25 is how much? 5. So you have to, this is the normal frequency now. Now what you have, you need what? XF, right? FX. In order to find FX, what you have to do, you have to multiply this two. 15 into 100, 1,500. 110 into 5, so 11 into 5, we can say 55 and 0. 120 into 6, you will get 600. Okay, 12 into 5 is 60. 13 into 5, you will get 650. Okay, so you can just calculate here and see. 0, 5, 3, 15, 5, 1, 5, 6, 650. So you have to add up all this thing to find what? Sigma Fx. Now, if you add up all this, how much will you get? 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 in hand, 6, 6, 12, 10, 20, 22, 23, 2 plus 1, 3. You get 3300. That is 3,300. Now you also have to find out sigma f, right? So here, if you add up, you'll get 30. Alright? So here, after finding this, what you have to do, you have to calculate your mean. So here, mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f, which is equal to 3,300 divided by 30. You can cut 0, 0, 313, 313, and 0. So you can write it down here, 110 pound. This is your answer for question number 12. Alright, so in your textbook you see question number 12, answer is given 120, but the actual answer is 110. You can correct it in the textbook. Okay, now I want to clarify one thing here. While taking online class, I think we did solve this question number 12, but how we solved it by weighted mean, arithmetic mean. But it is my fault. I'm really sorry. I did not see the question properly. So it's actually arithmetic mean. So that means we have to calculate in mean, not in weighted mean. Okay. So this way we are we are supposed to solve the question for question number 12. Okay. So this is it for the whole chapter. Chapter 12, we are done with the whole syllabus. Alright, so out of this questions 1 to 12, I've given you homework question number 3 and 4. Many of you have done it. I've given question number 6 as your homework, and that too you have done it pretty well. I've given question number 8 also as your homework, and yeah, you all did it very well, and you all have shown your interest in calculating all the sums even in online class, so I'm very happy. Now in the next tutorial we will be learning about median, mode, and quartile. That will be chapter 8. Okay, even in the next video, I'll be first giving out formulas how to calculate, the formulas for median, mode, and quartile. Listen to the formula, watch the tutorial properly, and try to understand the formulas. And after which, we'll start solving questions for chapter 8 as well. Okay. All right, then this is it. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video.